Another day, another story. Are you tired of trying different weight loss methods or programs that do not work for you? In this video, we will be discussing the most effective weight loss method or program that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Body weight loss is a common goal for many people, but finding the most effective weight loss method or program can be challenging. There are countless options available, from fad diets to weight loss pills to exercise programs. However, research has shown that some weight loss methods and programs may be more effective than others. In this video, we will explore some of the most effective weight loss methods and programs and provide guidance on how to choose the right approach for your needs. Calorie restriction. Calorie restriction is a proven method for weight loss. It involves consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. There are several ways to achieve calorie restriction. One way is to follow a low-calorie diet, which involves consuming a specific number of calories each day to promote weight loss. Another way is to track your food intake using a food journal or mobile app. This method allows you to monitor your calorie intake and make adjustments as needed. Finally, portion control is another approach to calorie restriction. By controlling your portions and eating smaller meals throughout the day, you can reduce your calorie intake and promote weight loss. Regular physical activity. Regular physical activity is also an effective method for weight loss. Exercise can help you burn calories and increase your metabolic rate, which can lead to weight loss. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, can also be beneficial for weight loss as it helps to build muscle mass, which increases your metabolic rate and promotes fat loss. Other forms of physical activity, such as yoga, swimming, or dancing, can also be effective for weight loss and offer additional health benefits. Behavioral therapy. Behavioral therapy can also help with weight loss. It can help you identify and change unhealthy eating habits, develop healthy habits, and address emotional and psychological factors that may be contributing to your weight gain. One form of behavioral therapy that has been shown to be effective for weight loss is cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. CBT focuses on changing negative thoughts and behaviors related to food and exercise and promoting positive lifestyle changes. Other forms of behavioral therapy include mindfulness-based interventions, motivational interviewing, and support groups. Commercial weight loss programs. Commercial weight loss programs, such as Weight Watchers, Nutrisystem, and Jenny Craig, can also be effective for weight loss. These programs provide structured meal plans, coaching, and support to help you lose weight. While they can be expensive, they may be a good option for those who need additional support and accountability. Bariatric surgery. Bariatric surgery is a weight loss option for individuals who are severely obese and have not been successful with other weight loss methods. Bariatric surgery involves reducing the size of the stomach or rerouting the digestive system to reduce the amount of food that can be consumed. This surgery can lead to significant weight loss and improve overall health, but it is a major surgical procedure and carries risks. In conclusion, there is no single most effective weight loss method or program that works for everyone. The effectiveness of a weight loss program depends on various factors, such as a person's current weight, lifestyle, health status, and goals. However, by incorporating calorie restriction, regular physical activity, and behavioral therapy into your weight loss journey, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember to consult with a